So how can an investor protect himself from from brutally harsh volatility that we are likely to see in the coming years? With so much volatility, how should an investor protect himself? What's your advice?
I've tried my best to convey to everybody asset allocation, investing in debt, investing in gold, investing in any other asset classes you can think of, like any other income stream that you can think of. I would say maybe REIT, InvIT, whatever else you can think of. I believe that, somehow India has people who are willing to invest in equities, but people have not invested enough in debt. And there is very little analysis of debt funds. And whatever events that have happened in debt, I don't accept that it is a failure of debt funds. Like if I mean, past returns are not equal to future, as SEBI has rightly said, but you can go and look at 3-year returns of any ICICI Prudential debt fund and look at it, and you'll realize that debt mutual funds have a very powerful role to play. I'm not recommending liquid and overnight because the returns have become very, very low. But I'm saying that, frankly, I think the role of debt funds are misunderstood at this point of time in India. See, as you know, we popularize categories like balanced advantage in India for the very same reason. And volatility is certain to happen in the next 10 years because I believe that, as I mentioned, whether central banks will lose the war in the next 10 years, even once, I think the year central banks lose the war, that is the year which has the biggest risk. And it is something that, frankly, we don't know which is that year where central banks will lose the war. And we have to be prepared for it from an asset allocation framework because there's no other framework which is going to protect you on that manner. And I would, in fact, advise all the investors who are invested in equity to protect themselves by creating an asset allocation framework. Unless their income streams from their jobs or otherwise is so comfortable that they don't need to bother about it. Because I believe that even jobs will be as volatile as they can be. And I was part of that lucky generation which passed out of premier institutions in 80s and got the benefit of the liberalization era from 90s onwards for the next 30 years. So we are in our 50s and we have had the benefit of that 30 years of workex in this liberalization era. But I think jobs itself will be more volatile in the next 30 years than what we have seen. So I would say you have to protect yourself through asset allocation. And we all had the benefit of a big asset boom in both equities and real estate over the last 20 years. So I think asset allocation is a must. That is how I look at it.